Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome to day 42 of our 60-day health transformation journey. Today we're talking about how to stay active while traveling. Traveling doesn't mean you have to put your fitness on hold. Here are some tips to keep you active and energized on the go. Tip 1. Pack portable workout gear. Resistance bands, a jump rope, or even a yoga mat can help you squeeze in a quick workout anywhere. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups are also great options. Tip 2. Explore on foot. Walking or jogging is a fantastic way to see new places while staying active. Aim to hit at least 10,000 steps a day. Tip 3. Use hotel gyms. Many hotels have fitness centers. Even a short session can help you maintain your routine. Tip 4. Stretch and move. Long flights or drives can make you stiff. Stretching or a quick yoga session can help you stay flexible and reduce travel fatigue. Tip 5. Take the stairs. Whenever possible, choose stairs over elevators or escalators to keep your body moving. Staying active while traveling is all about making the most of your surroundings and keeping a flexible mindset. Every little bit counts. Thanks for joining me on day 42. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll discuss building healthy sleep habits. Travel well and stay active.